Thank you, Shreya. On a short notice, she prepared and she's here. Our head boy and head girl represented all the students on behalf of them. So let me first wish you all happy Independence Day. It is my pleasure to address each and everyone in this occasion of marking our independence. It has been long years, around 74 years. It is a long time. But after these many years also, we have many beautiful things that we would always cherish as an Indian. Even after these many years, we should never forget the important struggling which our leaders has made for our country. Mostly the way they achieved it was not easy for them. It took a long time and hard struggling because we are born in free country, so we might not understand or hardly understand about the insult of being in a foreign country or being under a foreign rule. So we should thank them and we should remember the service given by them to us. If you take many long years before, our country is mentioned in many historical documents. If you check, many of those civilizations disappeared, but still India stands right now in one of the higher positions. Even when it was cut into pieces and under divide and rule policy of British also, we were called Bharat or Hindustan as one country. So we should be proud of that. Regarding the positive changes of this long 74 years, in each and every field of, if you start from Green Revolution, which was started from Jawaharlal Nehru's opinion or his ideas, and then White Revolution from Anand, and then it took our telecom industry or space technology, and even now stands for IT power. Let us make an independence resolution that we will follow all the basic principles that a citizen should follow. As he follows or we follow, we grow through us, our family, our surroundings, and thus our nation into a great one. Let us understand that after these many years struggling or hardworking, India is considered as one of the most powerful both in democracy and also in economy. So the rule made by the Britishers, shackle of oppression, and we gained the freedom from them is a remark in our history. So let's salute our leaders. And the occasion is small, as we know the pandemic is going on. We could not call our students, and only some representatives are there. So let us wish everyone Independence Day. And thank you all for being here even in this sarcastic weather and taking time for us. On behalf of our school, we thank you. And once more, a happy Independence Day to everyone. I would like Mikkel ma'am to say a few words to you.
Good morning, Principal, शिक्षक, सर, स्टाफ और पेरेंट्स और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिन की शुभकामना देती हूँ। 15 अगस्त का दिन हम सभी के लिए खास है क्योंकि उस दिन हमें अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आज़ादी मिली थी। आज साल 2020 है। आज हमें स्वतंत्रता मिलने के 74 ईयर्स पूरे हुए। स्वतंत्रता दिन हमें संघर्ष, विद्रोह, भारत देश की आज़ादी के लिए लड़ने वाले शहीदों की याद दिलाता है। कितने लोगों ने अपनी जान दे दी, तभी हमें आज़ादी मिली है। और आज हम आज़ादी से जी रहे हैं। 200 साल तक अंग्रेजों की गुलामी झेलने के बाद आखिर में 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन सफलता मिली। आधी रात को जब जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने घोषणा की कि हम सब आज़ाद हो चुके हैं, तब सारे देश में खुशी की लहर दौड़ गई। सरकारी भवनों पर राष्ट्रीय झंडा लहराया गया। इस अवसर पर सरकारी भवनों को सजाया गया, राष्ट्रगीत गाए गए, राष्ट्रधुन बजाई गई, दियों से नगरों और गांवों को दुल्हन की तरह सजाया गया। तब से 15 अगस्त का दिन राष्ट्रीय पर्व के रूप में मनाया जा रहा है। दिल्ली में लाल किले से प्रधानमंत्री झंडा फहराते हैं, 21 तोपों की सलामी दी जाती है और वहां से ही प्रधानमंत्री जी सारे देशवासियों को संदेशा देते हैं। स्कूल कॉलेजेस में राष्ट्रध्वज लहराए जाते हैं, सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम होते हैं। 15 अगस्त हमारा राष्ट्रीय पर्व है, इसे हमें गर्व से मनाना चाहिए। हमें उस दिन सभी देशवासियों को जिसने आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए अपनी जान दे दी, उन सभी को हमें याद करना चाहिए। ये जो उत्सव हम जो बनाते हैं, ये देश की उन्नति को बनाने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।